Hello guys, good morning. Nagluto po ako ng buto-buto ng baboy. Laga po ito guys. And guys, may halo po ito na munggo. And guys, ayan. Buto-buto ng baboy yan guys. Guys, may munggo ito guys. Ayan, mayan. Sarap yun guys. Luto na po ito guys. Thank you for watching mga guys.